Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to an update video to the 1957 Chevy Nomad by Atlantis. As you can see, we have already just laid down our base coat right here. This is the House of Color Bright White that I sprayed right over Tamiya Light Gray. So all these pieces, they're already all painted. Here you could see some of the interior panels there, part of the back seat, and over here we have the dash, the bench, the engine. I also went ahead and took advantage and painted a couple spoons. So the spoons here, we sanded them down, light gray primer, and then we just base coated them with the bright white, and these are chilling. These two here, I'm gonna end up spraying, the colors just to see how they look as well. And also, it's always just nice to have an extra pair of like spoons for future, reference and everything. So I just wanted to take the opportunity to show you guys this step right here, because this is kind of something that doesn't get shared a lot of the times. But as you can see, this is already dry. It's already dry to the touch right now. Like all these pieces right here, I could touch them. I painted them bright white. Nothing crazy. Obviously, you wash your hands and everything every time. But a lot of the times, like something like this, it's already, masked up. So the next step on this right here, we're going to be spraying some of the pearl effect that's going to go on here. The same with something like this. As you could see, there's two textures from the center to the outer areas. So the center area is what's going to be with the pearl, and then the rest, the exterior, is going to be with the indigo blue. So right now, before I go ahead and move forward to spraying the effects, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to backmask this whole area right here to isolate the center here. So this way, all that's exposed, this is hidden. And the same over here. This is going to stay the same. This will stay the same. Pretty much everything is going to stay the same. This is going to be the main thing I got to work on with the back masking right here to prep. The same with here. It's going to be a simple back mask for the roof, just pretty much cover all this right here, and also exposing the sides, the two sides, and the roof. So I'll shoot my pearl effects right over that. And right now it's just white, right? Later, that's going to be pearl effect, a little bit of hint of blue in there. And then once that is dry, within minutes, I mean, this stuff dries fast, and it's a matte finish. It's not like, oh, you can't touch it, it's wet. You could touch it. So I'll backmask all that using also green tape, and then I'm just going to have the body. So then I'm just going to move forward and start to spray the body with the indigo blue. So I'll be catching up with you guys and giving you those updates on those right there. But I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys right now. So we'll be back in a little bit right now. We're just going to go ahead and move forward and start getting this one. And also check this out. This is the hood, right? Before I go. So this is the hood. We went ahead and sprayed the interior first. We want to make sure we get the interior. As you can see on the other side, we got the primer side, right? All that's holding it is tape. So now that we have the inside painted, it's nothing crazy. We could just flip it around, put the tape right on there. Nothing's going to happen. And bam, now we have the hood ready to go. So right now I'm going to go ahead and paint the hood just so we have everything all lined up, matched up. I'm using FBS tape right here. All this stuff is automotive paint grade, especially for House of Color. And highly recommend that right there as well. And also the 3M tape is great also. So I'll keep you guys posted in a little bit right now. All right, so here we are. We already went ahead and backmasked the inside door panels and also the back panels as well right there. What pretty much you see here is what I'm going to be spraying with that pearl effect on these four right here. The body, we have it prepped as well. We're going to be starting off with the roof right there. And then right here, you could even see, once we get that done, we're going to take this off, this piece of paper off, and then we're going to have the sides pretty much exposed. Right here, let's see. Let me show you a little bit right there. You see it right there? Bam. So we do the roof first, we take this off, and then we just touch it up right here, touch it up right there, and we're good, and we're done with that pearl effect right there. All right, so let's see here. We have the roof backmast all around and also the sides right there. We have already dusted the Pearl FX on there, and the same with this. What's backmasked has already been applied with the effects, and now it's been reversed. So now we're gonna go ahead. The next step is gonna be to spray this onto where it's exposed. Whatever you see in the white is gonna be in that color. The same with the hood. So I've been thinking about this, trying to wrap my head around it. So most likely, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna start off with spraying the interior parts right here with this color, and I'm planning on also starting from the bottom of this, right? Having that stuff already painted without doing the rest of the body. And then what I'm gonna do next is like take this off and, you know, spray all this. And then once it's dry, place it in here. And then I'm gonna put tape just holding it in there since everything's already gonna be sprayed. So this way, when I go ahead and spray, everything is nice and uniformed. I'm not like doing passes and then I have to do separate passes and then I forget how many I did. We want to make sure that at least these things are, you know, matching the same. I have to match this as well. How many passes I do around the body is how many I have to do here, right up on top. And then for here, we have to match it as well, you know. So this way it all goes uniform. I already went ahead and I sprayed the 2 spoons right here, and see a close-up. This one already has the pearl effect, and then this one here is the indigo blue. It looks more like a purple right now, but you know, I feel like once we clear coat this later, all this is gonna be like blinging, popping up to life. One thing I will say is this here, the effects, you got to be very careful how many passes you do, because when I jumped into these right here, I ended up, you know, just spraying it. I know it's in the interior, but I wanted that to glow more, so I sprayed a lot more effect on it. But what I noticed what was happening, it started to kind of go more as a like a lavender kind of color, because the effect, you can kind of see it right here. So I'm really curious what's gonna happen on just these parts. When I did, then I tested this spoon. I went really lightly on the passes. This is the type of effect I got, and I matched that the same. I wanted to match this. So the cool thing about the spoons is, you know, I'm spraying and then I look at my reference and bam, I was like, I'm happy with that right there. The same did with the side. So we're gonna move on and we're gonna go next with this color right here. All right, and we're back. So check it out, like magic. We have everything all painted right in front of us. As you can see, the colors here, the roof and the sides. So the next step after this, we got to clear coat this right here. All right. And also don't mind the pillars. You're going to see like some of them have the color and some don't. We're going to be covering that with the chrome mirror finish. So that I'm not worried about that. And we did leave this one all the way down. I have to take that little piece of green tape right there. That's the line. And then we're also going to put chrome all around. So that's what's going to help break that up right there. Here's the front. Like I said, I put tape underneath to hold the hood right there underneath that. All the parts already took off the tape. You can see the two-tone. Look, you can see a little bit of that blue, that shine right there on there. So like I was saying earlier, you know, I put a lot of the material on this, so it almost looks like it kind of got a little yellow, kind of like a golden kind of sheen color with the blue. This will be inside, so I'm hoping this is almost like a blend with the crushed velvet I'll be putting in. Then we have, you know, obviously the spoons right here. This is more the color of the roof, and then this one here, the color of the body. One thing I did do is I did highlight the fenders, even right here around the wheel wells, and even in the front and in the back with the effects. So basically, it almost looks like right now, right here, the like blue, right? Right here we got purple, then it's like blue in these little areas right here. So those are just little highlights that I added on there. All that's gonna come to life once I clear coat this thing. Here we have the dash. I also added some effects right above. You see how it looks like a blue effect, and then you turn it around, it starts to look more like a purple. It's like a transition. I really like that right there. So bam, we have that all set up right there. I did this as a test. So look, this is the purple inner fender, and look at this one here. This one's more like a blue. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'll try to hold it here. This is more purple and this one isn't. This is more of a blue, like that. Is I highlighted this with the effects, and I did this on purpose just so I could see and to show you guys. Once this is glued on the hood, you're not even gonna see it, you know. But it's just as a reference right here on that. So really fun stuff to play with and the effects. I mean, down here on this side, you can see all the tape that I took out. So pretty much, I'm gonna let this chill, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'd say maybe Wednesday I'll come back and I'll clear coat the model. All right. Tomorrow I'm gonna be busy doing some things during the day, so I won't have a chance to. But I'm glad we got all this done right now. So we're gonna be moving forward. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This had everything to do with paint so far right here. You know, the interior that you see over here, this is gonna stay in white. All this, I might, you know, backmask and paint some areas on here. I'm still thinking about that, but for now, this was the main thing that we needed to take care of. So any questions or anything, just hit me up right there in the comments. All right, guys, take care and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.